Hi, this is Mari,
and Jerome.
and today we're visiting a bonsai nursery.
So we're going to show you how to pick up some good material.
And I'm gonna be driving, that's the only reason why I come. Let's go.
I'm scared.
When selecting a piece of material for bonsai, the first step should always be to make sure that the tree is healthy and that it has some interesting characters. In this case, I'm looking at a ficus, and I'm looking for some good movement or interesting character. Next up, we have a podocarpus, and it is very healthy and has vigorous growth. Now I'm looking at some Chinese elms, and I'm looking for great branch structure, movement, and I'm also making sure that all the branches on the tree are alive. Sometimes you find yourself, especially in the winter time, with deciduous trees that they do not have any leaves on them. So a good little trick to see if the tree is alive is to use your fingernail and scratch the bark on the branches a little bit. If there's green underneath the bark, then you know that the tree or the particular branch is still alive. Now I'm looking at some bigger and older imported trees, and if you notice, some of the trees don't have leaves. Now that's okay because they have just been potted and it takes a few weeks for the trees to come back to life.
How do I turn? How do I reverse?
It's at the bottom.
What now?
You need to push all the way.
Oh wait, okay. I knew this.